We also compared its VR model before, and the conclusion was that among open source models, it truly excels in aesthetics. So after updating to version 2.5, I still compared it with the top-ranked character models, and the results remain consistent. So you can see on the right side, all these images were generated by Playground V2, while the ones on the left were created by the Char model. I think just looking at it once is enough. There's no need for me to explain. It's clear at a glance. This time, I chose a resolution of 1536 by 1024 pixels. According to official statements, it outperforms the inferior models by a large margin at this aspect ratio. Let's go to his Hugging Face page. The beauty of this model not only outperforms open source models, but also surpasses two closed source AI painting tools, Midjourney v5.2 and DALL-E 3. I think there are still some doubts about Midjourney. They said the same thing when the V2 model was released last time. That's basically saying it's way ahead, but I think it's definitely leading in the area of poor eye models. Go to RunningHub, click on AI, or click the link in the introduction to register and you'll receive 120 HP daily. Logging in every day will give you an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.